So you may be in a position where your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5 keeps giving you a sign-in error. Now this can be fixed a couple of different ways and it's extremely easy, and there's probably not a fatal error wrong with your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. So the very first thing you want to do that typically works for me or any other people that I've seen for the most part is checking if you have a software update on your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. So you want to go into your settings app, you want to go into your system software update panel, and you want to see if there was already an update that was available. Maybe it was already downloaded, or maybe you have to, go ahead and download and install it. In some cases, you have to be on the latest software version to make sure there's no bugs or any problems like that. And sometimes Sony will stop you, or, there may be issues signing into your specific software if you're on a super outdated version of software. So it's very typical with Android devices, iPhones, and any other device too, laptops even. You have to be on the most up-to-date version to sign in. So in this case, I would recommend checking your software update and making sure that you're up to date on one of the more recent versions of software. Now beyond that, the next thing I would do probably is going into your settings app and making sure that you're signed in either in general. Sometimes your PlayStation may not even allow you to sign in, or sometimes your PlayStation will delete your credentials just randomly. This can happen all the time, and this is from all the comments that I've read from Reddit. One of the most important things you can do is go into your settings app. You want to go into account management and you want to click sign in, and you want to basically sign into your specific account. Now you will probably be confused. You'll be like, wait, how did I even get signed out? Well, like I said before, randomly sometimes profiles get deleted, sometimes things can happen. So your best bet here is to go ahead and try seeing if you have the sign in option available and pretty much just sign into your specific account. And typically at this point, you should be good to go, and you should be able to go ahead and sign into your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5 account. So those are typically the two things that I kind of group together in order to fix this. These are typically software issues. Just updating your software or signing in back into your account will typically fix it. But if this still doesn't fix it, you can try these next two things that typically fix a lot of network problems that you may have in your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5, and especially with these sign-in errors. So the first thing I would recommend doing in the second batch is probably restarting your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. This may sound like super basic or whatever, but you will not believe how many times this has actually fixed any type of device I've had. Sometimes randomly the whatever doesn't work, laptops, iPhones, whatever, Nintendo Switches, this will probably end up fixing a lot of issues that you may have. So simply just restarting your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5 will probably end up fixing this case, and you'll probably be good to go at this point. So if this, if you reset your PlayStation 4 or 5, restart it, and it still doesn't work, well, at this point, I would recommend checking your Wi-Fi or your internet router and making sure that you're even getting signal at all. There's been cases where, I think my device is the problem, but then I go and check other devices and none of the internet is working on any of them. And this typically means that it is a Wi-Fi problem that you have. So in this case, what I would recommend doing is either checking the Wi-Fi in your PlayStation 4 or 5 and making sure that you're, getting good signal, maybe checking some other devices too around you, an iPhone or an Android, and making sure that you're getting some sort of signal from those. If those devices are working but your PlayStation 4 or 5 isn't, then I would recommend, deleting the specific internet connection from your device or unplugging the Ethernet port and then plugging it back in or reconnecting to those devices, and you should be good to go at this point. If it still doesn't work, I would recommend restarting your internet router and checking in at that point. Typically, I'll be honest, you should be good to go, but like I said, you can still run into problems, and from there, I'd probably recommend going a little bit further and either restarting and rewatching this video or kind of, contacting Sony and letting them know the specific issues you're having. So that's really pretty much it. If you guys are having any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section as well. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count. So it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.